Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to show you the best performing cherry type tomato in my garden. It's an All-America Selections winner. It's called the Jasper. It won a couple of years ago. I've grown it several times, but this is the #1 smaller cherry type tomato I'm going to recommend. I'm going to grow this every year. I mean, look at the beautiful tomatoes in there. Now, this plant's not cleaned up. It's growing crazily into my bean trellis. The plant is 8 feet tall easily. It's still producing. It's October 6th. On the outer leaves, notice there's no disease or any issues. As you come inside, you're going to see some leaf spotting, and that's really come in the last 4 weeks with the change in the weather we have here. I haven't done anything to care for this plant in any way really since the end of August. So it's been a good 6-7 weeks. Some of the characteristics that I love about this plant, we're going to go to the other side because you can even see the production even more. One, it's highly productive. First week of October, it's still producing. The fruit, if you go inside and we get into some of the fruit I haven't harvested, you can see that it's starting to rot on there. However, this plant really holds the ripe fruit much longer than most of your cherry tomatoes. You get very little cracking. These can stay on here for a long time, and it's producing more than I can really manage right now. I keep giving them away to friends. I'm making all kinds of stuff with them, usually cherry tomatoes, garlic, oil, and Parmesan cheese. I absolutely love that. Let me get over to the other side, and you can see more of the production in here. It's got great disease resistance. It's resistant to early blight, late blight, but just look at all the cherry tomatoes, and they're delicious. They're sweet. They hold up well after picking. It is the #1 small cherry type that I recommend. Many of you may know that I am working with All-America Selections. I'm creating video content there. I'll put the link in the description if you want to join me over there. We don't run any ads, and we're also doing a contest where you can win what you need to set up a preview garden for All-America Selections, and I'm actually going to be part of the prize. I'm going to be a mentor for 4 winners. Go head over to their site and you can see how you join. But look at all those cherry tomatoes. So I'm going to harvest all of these off of here. Again, this is the Jasper, an All-America Selections winner. And let's just take a look. So it doesn't get really wide, maybe 2 or 3 feet wide, but they're just amazing vines that will get easily 8 feet tall. And next year I think I'm going to trellis this tomato just like it wants to do here. And then you could just walk right in, pick all the cherry tomatoes you want. Next year I'm going to downsize the number of different varieties I use and go with a handful of the varieties that have done best and that I really like. And again, check out the Jasper. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Thanks.